Hello.
What's up? I have to keep my eyes on the road.
Oh, okay, yeah, you do that. Hello.
He's the eye man. We're non-eye men.
Hey guys, is this how most like Asian people drive?
Yeah, actually, other than the new generation.
I should probably not say that because I'm in a car with 2 Asian people.
So we're going out to the airport, the Villeneuve Airport, which is just in the middle of nowhere.
Yep,
and we're fixing this mess, as in we're making it look better, not actually run better. Yo, we made it.
Somewhat.
How do you feel?
Scared.
You do? That's unfortunate.
Clear water.
Orifice, man.
It's nothing but a hole. Oh, I'm supposed to be doing 30 around this corner. Oops. I need a flathead, and then I think they just come off afterwards.
Oh, okay. Sure.
You guys, you don't need these new twin turbo engines. You know, we got a 3.8 liter V6 right here.
Ah, excellent.
Water bottle back in front.
The transmission is so fucked on this thing. Like,
Yeah, it is.
well, I figured out where the oil leak's coming from. Finally.
Oh yeah, you
The
did.
fucking oil pan gasket. What?
Oh. Yeah, so this thing is like leaking everywhere. So there's a leak
I
over
see.
there, and there's just leaks all the way on the bottom there. It's just dripping onto the driveway and stuff. All right, try it.
Oh, there's secondary pins too. Yeah, there's secondary pins too.
Oh, okay.
Just,
There's some ingenuity going on there, I suppose.
move it, and then it'll eventually come out.
This one too.
Yeah, that one.
Here, wait. You gotta use your fingers. That's all.
My fingers are shit, I'll be honest.
There you go.
Just drop the flathead, my guy. Oh yeah, you just use the flathead to just pry it out. Nice, nice, nice,
Use it
nice.
to assist.
Yeah, just
Okay. Then
you can just pull like lift, I think.
Anything underneath? That's what I'm afraid of.
I think it's just kind of pried in there. Maybe we need to like drop out the freaking lights too before we pull it off.
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
God.
Flathead.
So we got to here,
I'm not being used.
and we've identified the what are
Operating room. Or the reflectors.
operating room. So your man's just basically tore that thing off.
It did.
Yeah, these are
pretty
really
brutal,
weak.
I'm gonna be honest.
It sounded like you seriously broke something, but that's always how this Jeep sounds. Sounds like you seriously broke something.
It's like a geriatric patient. You know, try to stand him up, all you hear is cracks at 3 a.m.
Sure. Well, now I get to have fun getting the other one off.
Yeah, man, come on, let's go, bag. Whip it, boy, go.
Do I just like pull it, Riley?
Yeah, just pull, just pull.
Not yank it off, but like you want to do one side, and then the other side comes off really easy. Oh, there's my phone. I was looking for this. Oh. What?
I think you're confused.
Yeah, I am confused.
Oh, I gained 15 minutes off of deleting a game. This is awesome. It's like the hinges are there. Yeah, you know, just let Riley do it. It's basically just.
Yeah. It's like you have to almost sheer pride. Yeah, it's really
Something
fucking-
fell off. No, something seriously fell off there. But we're good.
You shear the housing right off. That's how it breaks up.
Wow.
It's like reversing a zip tie.
So we figured it out. It's retarded. We had the wrong colored wires. Now we have to like splice and solder the wires onto the turn signal lights.
Yeah, it's really fucking weird. I'm recording for Hayden because you can obviously he's.
Ah, fuck.
Oh.
I'm good.
Oh, and then Riley's somewhere. I don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. All right.
So just a small update. This thing doesn't actually fit in. Yeah, basically this didn't work, so we just electrical taped it. And now we're down to here, this connector, that works. But we are looking to solder, which wire is it again? This one. We're looking to solder these wires here
we have to
into
solder
the turn
them.
signal.
We have to solder them into the turn signal.
This one there.
Man,
Light work, very good, you know?
red and yellow. It's like communism.
So it turns out we need these brackets, otherwise this thing simply won't fit on because there's no, holding mechanism that came with it. So we gotta reuse the old ones. Slavery. So we have successfully soldered. Please focus. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm just waiting for you to finish rolling them up. But as you can see here, he's kind of, hack jobbed it. But we are very close to testing, aren't we, Bag?
Yes.
All right. Give her.
Battery on. Starting it.
Hey!
Yeah! Woo!
Good stuff.
Hell yeah!
Now I gotta get the.
All right, so now we're gonna test high beams and signal lights.
All right.
Okay, high beam signal. Proceeds to close the door. Aye! The reason why we deleted this part, please focus on it, is because literally the weird slots like this one that's going in right now, literally too big, and they don't fit within a good margin, so we just have to file that one down, so now it fits. So we're
Guide pin goes right there.
got the lights back in here. I don't think you can see it here, but no, it's there. And now we're putting on the front
It's been an
thing.
enormous pain in the ass.
Yeah,
Okay, wait, I don't have my side in yet.
so they're clipping some pins, as you can see here, and then you can put these weird rubber screws on top. Wire it up, and we're set to go. All right, so hold up, you're a little dirty there, buddy. All right, so we're just washing up the car here, so then we can get going, because I need to go to a banquet.
Yeah, so you can take a vlog with Steve.
Oh my God, if they allow me, sure, why not? Oh, I'm being sprayed. Yeah.
Okay. Actually gonna hold? No, I need to set it.
So we're going back home basically. I don't know what you're gonna do after, but I got a lot of stuff to do pretty soon, in like an hour. So, what are your final thoughts?
Pain in the ass, but it turned out pretty well.
Yeah, man, as you guys can see in the last couple clips, I don't know, it was pretty good if you ask me.
I'll be the roundabout. The words will make you out and out. I spend the day away.
Holes with the car. Thank you for your.